Acura Trick Shots, and this is a Swish Drano. Yes, oh my gosh!
Bonfire!
What's up, guys? It's Acura here. Come to you live from my basement with Lucas. I got something rad to show you guys. It just came in the mail today, or yesterday. It's new camera lens for my camera. I ordered this thing for $65 on Amazon, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like without it on, and this is what it looks like when it's on, and it is completely radical, guys. Totally worth my $65. It just makes video vlogging look way cooler, Guys, I got my first P.O. box opening. It's from some anonymous dude. You guys are awesome for sending it to me. If you don't know how to send it to me, I'll give you the address. It is my house. So yeah, send all your mail to my house. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna open it. It says to Acura from Alex Bacon. It was a farce. It was a farce. And he also included this little thing. Little sculpture. Oh yeah, I'm definitely putting that on the Acura wall. Let's go put that on the Acura wall right now, guys. Oh gosh, I didn't stop it. Any mail that you guys send to me is going on the Acura wall, like this right here. Beautiful.
Also on YouTube.
Guys, also, another dude sent me something wild that I just saw in the mail. It's money. Thank you guys so much for all of the support that I'm getting. Alright, now I'm just putting this right above my beautiful sculpture. I just dropped it. Oh gosh. I just put all my money in Amazon so I could... Where'd it go? So I could buy this. So I could buy a new pit bike, and I'm gonna show you guys me riding it all around town, doing some sick tricks on it. Okay, guys, this is my pit bike. Cost me like $3,000. I really think I invested my money well on it. I'm gonna ride it around town. I'm gonna show you guys some sick videos of me riding. Yeah, guys. Now, guys, I'm just going to get some sick action shots of me and the bike so you guys can really see how it looks, and just see if you guys want to buy one yourself,
In the valley of vegetables, in the valley of vegetables, where the garden is.
Now I'm at the top of this friggin' huge hill. I'm going to really show you guys how fast it can go, alright? It's raining, guys, so that's why I have my hoodie up. But this thing's also really good at off-roading, so I'm going to show you an example of that, too. Okay, guys, I'm giving a shout out today. I don't really do those often, but I'm giving one to Lucas Sorensen for filming all my stuff, and to Salt Fix because he's making a new energy drink called 253 Energy. And just hit them up on Instagram. It's at 253 Energy and lucassorensen.8. I'll put those down in the description. Alright, guys, that pretty much wraps up my vlog today. It was pretty wild. I got that new pit bike for $3,000. You guys can get one too. Goes really fast, off-road. It's really nice. Waterproof. So leave down in the comments what you guys want to see for next video. And comment, like, subscribe. I'll see you guys later on. Ekior.